Hey guys, Denis Kozhar here. In this video let's clean up the scene so we can more easily work with materials. First of all, I want to disable so much preview objects in scatters. To do so, I can just go to the viewport display, max displayed, and set maybe 5 only objects. Next, I can do the same for the grass, and here I need to decide which type of grass do I wish to leave here and which of them I don't want to use. So when I tested, I decided that I don't want to use white flowers, so I can delete this scatter. I don't want to use big leaves scatter, and I will also remove him. Only thing that I will use is flowers yellow, simple yellow green, and simple yellow grass. That's fine for me. Let's select this grass scatter. I don't want to use him, so I will just delete it. And here we have hedge scatter, gravel scatter, tree scatter, 3 types of grass, and grass all over. Okay, that's fine for me. I will not use this segment, so I will delete this thing only for that. Now let's go further. Here let's do the same thing for this type of scatters displayed. I can just simply change here to 5. Do the same for the gravel. Do the same for the simple green grass, and for the rest of them it will help me to keep viewport at maximum performance. And next we can delete all unneeded things such as profiles. So let's hide everything for a while and check out what we get here. So these plants, I don't want to use them, so I will simply delete them like that. And here I have lights. I will select them and add to the light layer. Okay, so here on the plan layer we doesn't have any objects. Let's delete it. Then I have the backup layer. I also doesn't need him anymore, so I will delete it as well. Like that. Next we have profiles. I also don't want to use them anymore, so let's delete. Next, let's check out what we have here. On the 0 layer we have nothing but these hedges, so let's move them, these 4 objects, to, let's say for example, trees small layer. Okay, fine. And here now we doesn't have any objects on the 0 layer. Let's go to the other layers and we will set up materials for them in the next video.